Today, I will show you how to install Snapchat and how to create account. First step, open Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Click on Install and wait few seconds. When Snapchat is installed, click on Open. Now click Sign Up. Click Continue. Now click Allow. Allow again. And Deny. Now is time for entering first and last name, date of birth, and voila! Your account is created. After that, you can change username or pick one of suggested one. Press Continue. Now you need to set a password and it should be at least 8 characters long. After setting password, click on Continue. Select country and enter phone number. After that, you will receive code to confirm your number. Click on Skip. Click on Continue. Turn on. Allow. Choose option while using the app. And that's it. Now you can use Snapchat app. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe.